This is an easy, tasty chicken tortilla soup. Leftover grilled chicken or a cut-up rotisserie chicken work well in this recipe. Garnish with any of these or add your toppings of choice. Add oil, I'm using avocado oil, to a stock pot, then saute your onion and green pepper. Then add the remaining ingredients. Add your salt gradually to taste, depending on the saltiness of your broth. You can also add 1 quart of stock or broth along with 1 quart of water. Bring the soup to a boil, then cover and reduce the heat to simmer. You can garnish your soup with tortilla chips or slice tortillas into strips, coat them with a little oil, lay them on a baking sheet, and bake until they are crisp and brown. This soup is ready to serve after 30 minutes of simmering. For a vegan variety, substitute the chicken with more variety of beans. Add garnishes of your choice. Keep it non-dairy with a non-dairy cheese, or add a dollop of guacamole and sour cream. Be sure to check out my site for other great soups like Italian vegetable and butternut squash and sausage soup. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.